Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to create video using TOME AI. So first of all, I'm going to give you a clear answer that TOME AI itself isn't designed for directly creating videos. So you will not be able to create a video using TOME AI itself. This is a clear answer to your question. As you can see, this is TOME AI and it has all these pages to these slides. Now you can see I have these options, that is adding text, media, drawing, add table, chart, tiles and set theme. But there is no way to create a video using TOME AI. However, you can leverage TOME AI's capabilities to build the foundation for the video and then use another video editing tool to assemble these slides and create a video. But it would include the use of another tool, that is a video editing software or a website. So you cannot create a video using TOME AI itself. So that was the simple answer to your question. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.